Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to the session. My name is Somajit Goswami. First of all, vocabulary improvement के ऊपर बातें हैं. But as you can see, I am wearing my reading glasses. Obviously, I am showing you one of the snippets of Eon articles, A Gospel of Enjoyment. I will read the first paragraph. I'll tell you why. Suddenly, I thought, let me make a video out of this one. I was reading this article, by the way. Before that, I would like to tell you that this website, rewordify.com, basically helps you understand the passages in its entirety. I understand that a lot of you guys would agree to me when I say this, that you really don't require a lot of vocabulary knowledge, but vocabulary is important because if you know certain words beforehand, it cannot hurt you in the exam. For example, in CAT, reading comprehension passages, if you know some difficult words, it will always add on to your confidence. On the other hand, vocabulary development is very important for personality development. So if you really want to improve your personality for a, let's say, interview, it will help you. I have a standing, कह सकते हैं मोटा मोटा, I have a decent amount of vocabulary this thing with me. Obviously, I am not at the level of Shashi Tharoor. For that, you need to read a lot of books, and we don't have the luxury of that. Time is a constraint on which we operate. So, keeping all of that in mind, keeping the CAT preparation in general in mind, I would like to read this particular essay and try to tell you why I thought that this is important. Before that, let me zoom in a bit so that you guys can very comfortably see what I am going to say. So the first paragraph only, you can see right in the left hand corner of your screen, 3,300 words is the entire length of the essay. Obviously, we cannot do it in this video. Let's read the first para, try and understand. Apparently, the Carthusian monks who distill the herbal liqueur chartreuse have been struggling to maintain a work-life balance. We know the argument is about these Carthusian monks who are finding it difficult to maintain a work-life balance due to this herbal liqueur, which is chartreuse. Sales of the drink, which totaled $30 million in 2022, continue to bankroll the order. The brothers' vows of solitude and silence have not prevented the company that hawks their wars, chartreuse diffusion, from building a global luxury brand. Nonetheless, in January 2023, the wholesaler announced their decision to limit supplies despite robust demand. Now, some of the words like robust demand would prompt a firm. What would prompt a firm to commit the cardinal sin of leaving money on the proverbial table? Now, first of all, prompt, cardinal sin, proverbial table. These are jargonish words. The monks' stated motives were twofold. Although they expressed a concern with the environmental impact of their operation, the deeper impetus was spiritual, as the order reminded frustrated tipplers, they first and foremost are in the business of contemplating eternal mysteries. Okay. So I'm not going to explain anything. Obviously, I'm going to take you to the website Rewordify. Basically, what you need to do is you need to take the entire, how many paras you want, as many paras as you want, copy it, and then just paste it in this website rewordify.com. Basically, what this website does for you is it dumb downs the entire article. What does that mean? Basically, pretty self-explanatory. All the difficult words, you will get a meaning side by side. Okay, now this is a particular setting that I am using. The color scheme is also something which I am using. I have designed the color scheme for myself. If you want, you can perhaps use a different color scheme. There is a proposition in the website in which you can actually segment the article in two parts. The first part will have the original article. The second part you can have the dumbed down version, or maybe an easy vocabulary version. Why is it important? I will keep on saying this thing. It is important because we cannot operate, and we do not operate at our 100% capacities of 100% intellectual capacities all the time. So reading is important, but if you're not understanding what you're reading, then the argument goes haywired. कुछ पता नहीं है, न्यूज़पेपर के जैसे पढ़ रहे हैं, तो क्यों पढ़ रहे हो? मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, LRDI के कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर लो. लेकिन नहीं, हमें तो गुरुजी ने बोला है रीड करने के लिए, तो ऐसे ही बेवकूफ़ों के जैसे रीड कर ही जा रहे हैं. यू डोंट डू दिस लाइक दैट. ओके, अगर वैसे करना है तो ट्रेडिशनल वे में चले जाओ, गेट अ बुक एंड डू योर प्रैक्टिस. This is the book I would like to recommend. I don't know if you can see this. This book is called 6 Weeks to Words of Power. इसकी thickness आप देख सकते हो, इतना सा thickness है, ठीक है, इतना सा. Now, if you have this book and if you 6 Weeks to Words of Power, Wilfred Funk. Obviously, this is not a promotional video for an author है, क्या ही उसको promote करें. 100 रुपये का मिलता है अमेजोन फ्लिपकार्ट पे, वहाँ से खरीद सकते हो. ट्रेडिशनल वे में जाना है, दिमाग अगर ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करना है तो बुक्स के थ्रू जा सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक generally want to improve, like everybody has a laptop, everybody has a laptop, you can just visit the website Rewordify, copy the content there and you can read it from that website. I would like to explain one more interesting thing, which is an extension. Obviously, let me get this passage to its original fonts. So this is the font that I typically use, but you will see now that sometimes these are the things that bug you while reading. A sudden advertisement or something of that sort, even studying from YouTube is a problem, I just recently realized. So what can we do to eliminate all that? So there is this extension by the name of Just Read. You can again install it from web store. All you need to do is install Just Read and click on it. Basically it just transforms the entire passage like this. Obviously this is also a setting which I use. You can get a wide background also and then you can read it. But sir, ये तो बहुत छोटा छोटा दिख रहा है. Obviously छोटा छोटा आपको दिख रहा है. You can obviously zoom in a bit and you can read it as much as you like. This is exactly the way how CAT presents the articles, मतलब in this much amount of space, and you can read them maybe 2-3 paras at a time, and एक या दो पकड़ लो यौन ऐसे पूरे दिन में you can read them out. Okay, I hope this video helped you. If this video did help you, you know the drill. Like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, ठीक है. और with that being said, the only thing that I want to say is, guys, there is a courses that I am trying to design for you all. If you guys are interested, go and check them out. Thank you. This is me, Somajit Goswami, signing out.